Let's get one thing straight. Your comfort zone isn't keeping you safe. It's keeping you small, broke, and invisible. You think rest is peace? It's decay in disguise. Every time you choose easy, you're training your brain to stay average. And here's the truth. No one wants to admit. You're not tired. You're just unchallenged. You scroll because it's easier than failing. You take a break when things get hard, then wonder why success avoids you like a ghost. You say you want to grow, but every action screams, let me stay exactly where I am. Do you know what lives in the comfort zone? Regret, lost potential, the weaker version of you that you swore you'd outgrow. Let that sink in. If your daily life feels comfortable, it means you haven't leveled up in a long time. Here's the mindset switch. Start doing one uncomfortable thing every single day. Wake up earlier. Speak up. Take that risk. Be scared, then do it anyway. Why? Because discomfort is the gym where your future is built. You don't grow when it's easy. You grow when your heart's racing and your mind is screaming, run, and you do it anyway. If you don't leave your comfort zone today, just know, your dream will leave you.